Birds. You hear them chirping every morning. You may not understand, but they are informing how they survive the night from predators and they're happy to see new morning. As always, soon they'll fly away for the day, soar high and low, look for food, but eventually come down to earth anyway. Sounds pretty much like human story. But no, there's a brutal touch in their story. I'm so sorry. When they get old and tired, they have no choice but to face the ultimate fire. We human, if lucky, can simply retire. We are lucky species. Ashok.